This video will review how to submit your health insurance waiver. The Commonwealth of Massachusetts requires all full-time students to have health insurance coverage. A full-time student is considered 3 or more courses for undergrad and 2 or more courses for graduate students. Framingham State will automatically bill full-time students for the annual coverage provided through our third-party provider, University Health Plans. Students must make an election online to waive or enroll in the University Health Insurance Program. If you intend on enrolling, please contact our office by emailing studentaccounts@framingham.edu. If you already have your own health insurance, please waive the university's insurance plan so you're not paying for something that you do not need by following these steps. Approximately 48 hours after you've registered for classes, you'll have the ability to waive health insurance. And as a heads up, you'll need to have your active health insurance card handy. Log into my.framingham.edu using your FSU account credentials. Then click on the Student Accounts tile. At the top of the page, click Forms. To waive, click Health Insurance Waiver from the list of forms available. Answer the subsequent questions appropriately by entering your information exactly how it's reflected in the Framingham State systems. You'll need your health insurance card to complete this form. Then submit the waiver and make note of the confirmation screen, which shows a confirmation number and waiver submission. This information should also be emailed to your FSU email account. Please note it can take 2 to 3 business days for a waiver to apply to your account, as it is reviewed by University Health Plans and then sent back to our office for processing. But you can expect a credit for the same amount as the charge once processed. That's it. Thanks for watching.